How to make Instagram's carousel post in Photoshop in just 2 minutes. Open your Photoshop. Click on the new file. At first, choose the width and the height to 1080 by 1080. Then decide how much carousels you want. Multiply that amount of carousels with the width. I need 3, so I will multiply it by 3. Then press enter. The next easy step. Go to View tab and select New Guide Layout. Here you will add how many columns you want. Write that amount of cursors you want. With Getter option you can add space between each columns. Make sure to set this to 0 and press OK. Let's add our photo. I will just drag it and drop it. Adjust the size to fit this white background. Now go to Crop tool and select the Slice tool. Click on this button, Slice from Guides. It will separate the image. It's the time for exporting. Go to File, Export and export Web Legacy. Select all the slices. From the presets choose JPEG. Now click on the Save button and save the photos. Now click on the Save button and save the photos where you want. These are our exported images. We will use them for Instagram carousels. Let's see how these would look in Instagram post. If I swipe, you can see it has a smooth transaction. Hope you liked today's tutorial. You can support me by clicking on the like button and subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next video.